Good morning, day one. We're gonna get out there and see if we can't catch some fish. Got a little patch rubber leg with a little Darth Vader. I'm gonna go down here and see what's happening. There's a river. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Patch rubber will work like a charm. Number 2. Get her done, boys. Wow. Hunter bringing home the bacon.
That's been sitting up here. What is this? This is what we're eating.
How's the coffee? Tastes like Currie. Jeff's over there, he's making real coffee.
Ready to roll.
What are you doing today, Jeff?
Hopefully ripping some lips.
Ripping some massive lips. Yeah, boy. We got walkies today, thanks to Sawyer Currie.
Nothing to spare.
Gonna go hit spot 1.
No cone in hand. Nothing but a prayer.
So I feel like it should.
Just us two through dust and drought. Times that don't want to about. Weren't there to trade.
What you working with down there?
Or stay.
Little pats.
Just speak the truth
Little Patty.
and right away.
What you working
Some
with?
stare like we were ghost and
Do a
black.
little.
Men with fire and nothing to pack. If peace was found, we shared their bread. If not, we left just like he said. No gat to draw, no deals to make. Just a word to give, then a town to shake.
Nice.
The man of truth is coming, so we ride on ahead. He don't carry a banner, but the wind still knows his step. He don't shout for attention, but the silence starts to bend. The man of truth is coming. You best open that door or dig.
What up, fellas?
Where's Hunter at?
He's just right up there.
Oh, okay.
Catch
y'all
anything? You get in the
Yeah, we got some. Yeah. Did y'all?
What did you catch?
I caught 4, had 1 donkey on, got off. And missed another pretty decent one, but only landed 4 kind of small ones.
Nice. What'd you catch?
Brownies.
How many?
2.
Well, spot number 1 this morning. Everybody between Hunter, you caught 4. I caught 0. John caught 0. Joel caught 0. Jeff caught a few. Nick caught 1. Sawyer caught. You got 4. All right, headed in the next spot.
This all the way up, and then it keeps going past that pond. So I don't know what y'all want to do. Go all the way up or fish on the end?
We can go all the way up. You guys want to go all the way up? Sure. Wow.
Some opened with trembling hands, heard the word and took their stand. Others locked up tight and proud, hid behind the noise and crowd. But peace don't wait, where hearts stay blind. moves on slow.
Oh yeah, look at these little
Leaves you
guys.
behind.
Oh my goodness.
The man of truth is coming, so we ride on ahead. He don't carry a banner, but the wind still knows his step.
Just lifting up
He
here.
don't shout for attention, but the silence starts to bend. Man, the truth is coming. You best open that door or dig in. We don't sell a word for pay. We speak to those who still obey. Truth rolls in like wind and flame. It won't bow and won't be tamed. The man of truth is coming, so we ride on ahead. He don't carry a banner, but the wind still knows his step. He don't shout for attention, but the silence starts to bend. Man, the truth is coming. You best open that door or dig in.
Well, microfishing was a success. Hunter caught like 100. Sawyer, the whole stream is empty. I caught 3. Jeff, I don't know how many caught. We're still waiting on John. Oh, stuck! Stuck! We're stuck! This is a long drive. But we're making it. John's about to catch a little monster over here underneath this shadow.
Come on, baby.
Gotta get a little bit of floating on here. Come and get it.
We went like 2 miles down that way.
All right, did pretty good. Jeff caught the most.
Let's go, Jeff.
Oh,
What's up?
Did you catch any, Sawyer?
Couple. Not here.
They caught a huge cutthroat.
We know.
So now we go home. Day 1, almost complete.
Bird of prey.
That doesn't look very scary. More like a 6-foot turkey.
Man of truth is coming, so we ride on ahead. He don't carry a banner, but the wind still knows his step. He don't shout for attention, but the silence starts to bend. Man, the truth is coming. You best open that door or dig in.